And what is this one BDSM fantasy you would like to try?
I've tried actually.
Yeah?
All the fantasies.
You like it?
Yeah.
Which one did you try?
Bondage.
Bondage. Okay, why do girls like to be spanked?
Daddy issues, that's what I'm saying.
It's a different kind of fun.
Pain gives a nice feel sometimes.
Girls like to be spanked because it's a hot to be told what to do. So you're like, I'm here and I submit to your sort of desires. Yeah.
It's said in Kama Sutra, the more pain its pleasure is. So I think that's it. The pain is pleasure.
I think pain is pleasure.
Pain is pleasure. What do you have to say?
Please don't hit me. I'm too naive for that. I don't like spanking.
Why do girls like to be spanked?
That gets them wild.
Would you like to be spanked by a hot guy?
Yeah. If it's Ryan Gosling, who wouldn't mind getting spanked all the time?
Probably not. I'd probably like to spank someone though.
Oh, you would like to spank someone. Nice.
Same, I think. Yeah.
Would you like to be spanked by a hot guy?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Why?
Why? Because it just depends on who gives the spank, right? So if it's like a really hot man, like the guy who, maybe a boyfriend,
Boyfriend. What about you?
yeah, I love it.
Would you like to be spanked? No. Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you like to spank anyone?
Yeah, I spank girls all the time.
In my previous interview, a lot of girls said they like BDSM. Okay? That too in India. So I want to know, why do girls on general like BDSM?
Because it's kinky.
It's kinky. Nice.
Because you have more fun doing things you're not supposed to do.
What's not to like in BDSM?
I don't know, it's like a mental thing, right? Daddy issues.
Oh, daddy.
Maybe they just want to be in control for once. I think because we've always been dominating, it's just coming out of us now. Like we're right now, I'll be like, okay, I'm going to dominate. We've always had it in us. We're just now making sure everybody knows we're fucking going to dominate you in bed. We're gonna whip your asses. Yes, it's my personality, dude. I love to dominate. I'll dominate off bed, on bed, everywhere.
Any BDSM fantasy you would like to try?
I think the one thing that I would try to like sort of do is restraint. Like unless you answer this question perfectly, you don't get to unzip your pants. Like it'll be quiz. Name the 9 planets or else.
Something wild.
The one when he takes that wine in his mouth and
Yeah. Right.
yeah, I like that
Quite
scene.
naughty and seductive. So yeah, that would be
Naughty and seductive.
For trying it would be fun. Flogging crop.
Flogging crop. Can you explain what's that?
It's like a whip, not a whip, but then you can use it to hit it.
Why do girls get attracted to guys who dominate?
Or maybe because for once they don't have to apply their brain and direct them ki ye theek hai, wo theek hai. Just getting the right direction sometime is what helps them.
I don't know, because it's like attractive because like they have it all figured out, I guess. Like it's like they know what they're fucking doing.
Yeah, they have control over it. So
Oh, that's because then they can take charge of stuff. So it's like this. We always want to be around someone who can take charge of stuff.
Why do girls like dominant guys?
I think it's just manly. It's just the way they are. They're supposed to dominate, dude.
Do you know the full form of BDSM?
Bondage sex.
Full form.
No, that's what I know.
bondage, and I don't know the rest of it. Dominant, submissive, something.
Masochism.
It's something dominant, submissive.
Do you know the full form of BDSM?
Bondage, discipline, sadism, masochism.
Yeah. Bondage, dominance, sadism, and masochism.
Like men's wear low-waist jeans, they wear low-waist saris, I guess.
It's a wet hair fantasy. Seriously. I've never seen a Mallu auntie with dry hair. They always have wet hair.
Do you believe in experimenting?
You mean sexually? Yeah, if you want to.